Greetings guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you and telling you how to make a anime Discord server. So firstly, in order to start, skip the old rules wall. Instead, if you have this on your Discord, depending on the country, enable the community settings and then head to onboarding. So what I recommend doing, you go to the server settings and then just enable the community for your server, okay? So there you go. Just accept these, next, agree and understand, and finish setup. There you go. And now as you can see, we have community. And now in the onboarding section, save the changes, thank you. In the onboarding, as you can see, we have multiple things that we can adjust. So firstly, you can create join questions like what's your favorite genre, or are you a manga reader, something like that, and link these roles instantly. Also, use the Unicode symbols like emojis to style your channels. So you can add some flowers or some kind of emoji, the cool ones that you can use to make your channel more akin to any other community that has anime as their primary role, should I say. And I have a very cool bot for you as well, guys. For example, you can choose a bot and use a bot like you go here and then make sure to add it to your channel. And what it allows you to do is it's going to allow you to customize your server even further. And also, without anime server bots, an anime server without bots is just a group chat. So add Muday for the waifu and husbando gacha. It's still the king this year. Add Karuta for high stakes card trading. And also use the new cinema bot for synchronized streaming. Also, pro tip. Use ProBot for your automod. Set up spoiler filters so that new episodes of Witch Hat Atelier or ReZero don't get ruined for the casuals. And your server now should be spot on the platform. If this anime guide helped you sharpen your community, press like and subscribe.